morning, ma'am. I am here from the Philippine Women's University. Your student nurse for today. How was your day, ma'am?
I'm good.
Oh, that's great. Can you state your full name, including your date of birth, ma'am?
I'm Mara Caris Marcelo Santiago, 2006.
Oh, that's great. Today, I'm just gonna assess your head, neck, face, ma'am. Just gonna do the hand hygiene and then assemble the supplies. Urusan lang. Ma'am, based sa aking inspection or sa observation ko kanina, ma'am, your head size is normal. We call it the normocephaly. Pero ngayon, ma'am, hahawakan po muna kita para sure tayo sa science, di ba? Okay, can you look up, ma'am? And then, ma'am, based din sa aking observation kanina, ma'am, wala naman ikaw na unnecessary facial movements, tics, wala naman, ma'am. So, that's great. Can you elevate your eyebrows, ma'am? Okay. Can you lower your eyebrows, ma'am? Thank you. Can you close your eyes tightly, ma'am? Okay, that's great. Open your eyes, ma'am. Can you puff your cheeks? Okay, that's great. Can you smile, ma'am? For me. Okay, can you show your teeth? Okay, that's good. We're gonna move on to your neck, ma'am. I-assess po natin ang iyong leeg na. So, magtatanong na ako konting mga tanong sa'yo regarding sa leg. Do you have any history of lumps, ma'am?
Wala naman.
Wala naman. Any neck pain? Recent neck pain?
Ano lang po, stiff neck, last week.
For that information, ma'am. Can you move your head erect, ma'am? Ganyan po. Thank you. Okay. Can you move your chin to your chest, ma'am? Can you move your head po sa shoulder? Ganyan, ma'am. So, other side, ma'am. Can you stay still? Okay, ma'am. We're gonna move on to your lymph nodes. Dito po yung issue sa leg. So, because hawakan po ito for any large lymph. Can you move your head side? Okay, wala naman. Other side, ma'am. Open your mouth, ma'am. Close the door. Lalabas ko ang color din, ma'am. Ganyan, ma'am. Buti nasabi ko sa mandibular. Just gonna move to your trachea, ma'am. Can you... Okay, that's good. Just gonna be this sa trachea for sa lateral ventilation. Okay, just gonna place my fingertips. Sternum notch. Just gonna move it laterally from left to right. Okay, moving on, ma'am, sa iyong thyroid. Based sa aking observation, sa iyong lower neck, lower half of your neck, ma'am, based sa aking observation is wala naman siyang visible mass. And that's it. Okay, ma'am. Can you extend your head, ma'am? Can you swallow for me? Okay, isa pa, ma'am. Okay, that's good. That concludes the assessment of your head, neck, and face, ma'am. So I'm gonna document everything, and I'm just gonna remove this. And I'm gonna perform hand hygiene or microbiome. Okay, ma'am. Thank you po.